Hi, I frequently get requests on how do I make it so the printer doesn't um, kind of ghost or double display items. And I want to show you how to do a print cleaning. I took a video and I'm going to kind of talk your way through it. You're going to use these buttons right here, which are the up and down buttons and the OK button while you're looking at the screen here. The first thing you're going to do is go down until you get to the one that says configure device, and then you hit the OK button. After that, you're going to go down to print quality and hit the print button again. And then you're going to go all the way down to the bottom. So it's going to be the last thing that says process cleaning page. And when you hit process cleaning page, you're going to hit OK again, and it's going to start doing the print cleaning. Now, when it does that, just so you know, it comes out and then goes back in and then comes back out again. So you kind of have to wait because you can't go and grab it right here because it's going to suck it right back in. And then it's going to come out again and it's going to print what that is. Self looks like this. Now, after I did it the first time, there was still a little bit of ghosting over here on the side. Sometimes you have to do this 2 or 3 times before it cleans up the toner and the print head. Sometimes if you do it 2 or 3 times, it still looks just as bad, which means it needs a new toner altogether, and that's when I need to get called. But many times I come down and run the clean print head once or twice, looks great, and I go back on my way. And then it lasts several weeks before it dumps too much onto the head again, and I have to come back and do it again. I wanted to let you guys know how to do that so that if you had a problem in your classroom or right outside your door, you could clean the print head on your own and get a clean printing without that ghosting that's going on here on the side. And that's it for cleaning a print head on a P3015 HP Laserjet printer.